Kip from kiphakes.tv, and I just wanted to really quickly show you how I film the overhead shots for my unboxing videos. There's many ways of doing it, but basically this is the way that I do it at my desk. So on my desk we have got several of these Elgato multi-mounts here, and they are basically just arms that clamp onto the side of the desk and can extend. And basically the Elgato multi-mount has got an Elgato solid arm coming off it. And it's a solid arm that clamps onto the side of the Elgato multi-mount, and that makes a new arm that comes away from the multi-mount. And then what I've got here is the flex arm kit, which is basically 4 different pieces of varying size, and I've used the 2 smallest lengths to just bend a curve. And then here we have the camera itself. This is my Sony ZV-1. I either use this or my GoPro Hero 7 Black. It depends on how big the product is, but I'm just about to do this video for unboxing this Hue light, and it frames up perfectly. I've got the audio recording through both my desk mics and the camera mic, and then I just sync the 2 together in post to get both angles synced up perfectly. And that's basically how it works. It's pretty straightforward. It's no big secret, but several people have asked me how I film these overhead shots for unboxing videos, so I thought I'd show you. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!